Hi guys, welcome to this session again. Today this is a very small topic but very useful. We will see how to find mistakes and rectify them fast. So today we'll be mm, going through find and replace options. Now let us see on this table whoever has entered data. If you see in the vendor address, I'm just giving an example, you'll find many scenarios like this. Now, in the street, somewhere it is small s and somewhere it is capital S. And we would like to keep our data healthy and robust. So we'll have to change all the small s in the street by capital S. This might be a huge table. Doing it one by one will be almost impossible, or by solving this problem, you may create more mistakes. So, if you go into home menu bar, and in the last, you'll find and select. Okay, in that, go to replace, and normally it will come like this. Find what, replace with, and but if you go here, it will give you many other options, and I'll clear all these things which I had done earlier. Okay, so there if you see, it is giving you an option to find something and replace it with something else. But in our case, it is case sensitive thing. Like we are changing a small s by capital S. So we'll say match case. And we are doing it within the sheets and not in multiple sheets. So find a street, replace with capital S street, and then we say replace all. Excel has completed its search and has made 3 replacements. So if you go here, you'll find there were a couple of there were 3 places where a street was written with a small s and it has been changed by capital S. Now similarly, many a times when we are going through the table discussing things with our colleagues or having a meeting, we keep making such notes like body wash. We give some kind of a color to that, that okay, this is that we have to work on this, or whatever be the reason you have done it. But at the end of that, you need to clear all that. So we again go here, find in text, replace. Instead of finding for a data or word, we'll clear that. Match case also will clear. We'll go for the format. So format, all these options are available. We go for the fill options, and this is the color of at 2 of the cells which has been filled with. I will say okay, find this and fill it with no color. Okay, and say replace all. Excel has completed its search, has made 2 replacements, and all these formatting has disappeared. Straight and simple, no complications, but a very useful tool when you are working with large set of data. Okay, looking forward to seeing you in the next session. Until then, bye.